Onekey Wallet multi-account setup. How to add second wallet in Onekey Wallet. To add a second wallet to your Onekey Wallet, launch the Onekey Wallet app, and here you can currently see this is my current wallet which says account 1 from here. Now to add another wallet to this, tap on the drop down menu that says this account option from the left hand side. Now here you can see this is my account. If I want to add one more or second wallet, I can tap on this option called add account. Then you can see other account has been added as well, and I can go ahead and confirm this particular change as well. I can switch back to my previous wallet over here as well. Now if I want to add more wallet, what I can do is I'll be able to create a different types of wallet from this particular process. This way I can create several wallets or accounts to Onekey Wallet app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.